Hi guys, Allison Wonder here, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a Lego bird perch. For today's build, you'll need these parts. Obviously, you can use whatever colors you want to make it more personalized. And with that, let's get straight to the project. To build the main section, you'll need a base block, preferably larger than a 4x6, but a 2x6 will work. First, take the 1x6 and place it like this. After that, take a 1x2, put it in the middle of the 1x6. Then, take two 1x2s and place them one on each side of the 1x2. Then, take the other 1x2s and place them on top of the bottom layer. Then, take the 1x1s and place them on the edges of the 1x2s. Then take the 1x6 and place it in the middle like this. And then take the arch, place it on top of the 1x1s. Then take the pillars and put them on the last spots of the 1x6. Then take the leaves and the 1x1 and place them together like this. Place the 1x1 on top of the leaves. Place them on top of the arch. Now put the 1x6 on the pillars and the 1x1. For the roof decorations, place the parts together like this. Repeat twice. Put them like this. Now, you place the small leaves on the 1x6. Now we are finished. Your bird perch is done.